Hey there, welcome back to my channel where you enjoy watching me making lovely DIYs to inspire you. If you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by and please make sure to subscribe and don't forget to leave me your sweet comments. Today's video I'm part of new collab named Old Time Crafting. We choose farmhouse or cottagecore DIYs. We have two wonderful ladies who hosted this challenge. We have Jackie at Mamma Mia DIY and Kate at So Kate channel. The co-host of this month is Namaste Creations DIY. I will be leaving their channels links down in my description box below along with the playlist. All crafters in the playlist created amazing DIYs for home decoration. I am sure you will love what they were making in their videos, so don't forget to check out all their channels. In this collab, I am creating 3 pretty cottagecore designs. I did my research about this term. To me, my interpretation to this is little house on the prairie, similar to this picture. You can find fields of wildflowers, fairy tales, very feminine, very countryside, kind of wild romantic, some of pastel colors. Kind of warming, coziness mixture of beautiful things. Let's see what we can come up with today. For this project, I have been using these 3 long wood pieces from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna cut them to make a base for this picture. Look at these beautiful pictures that I have in my stash. I have this scrapbook paper that I got from Michael's last year. With vintage colors, vintage pictures, so pretty. With these 3 pieces of wood, I'm gonna add 2 long painter sticks and cut them to fit my base for this project. I'm gonna attach these 3 pieces of wood together in the back with these small paint sticks using my wood glue and hot glue to get a solid piece. With Mod Podge, I'm gonna glue this picture on top of this piece of wood and set it on top with Mod Podge too to make it shiny. It's pretty picture. And I'm painting these long sticks with white chalk paint. And they have this small cathedral window that I got from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna decorate this window. I have this lace. I have it in my stash. White lace. I'm gonna make it as a curtain to this window. I'm gonna leave it open to show what's inside, like this. So I'm adding first background for this window to show through this curtain, open curtain. I'm adding this candle that I got from Dollar Tree, stickers, and this vase with flowers to show it through this window. I want to add some dimensions, so I'm adding this rope, this nautical rope all around the edges. I wanted to give a life to this window, so some lace, some flowers, some light to give you some feeling of cottage design. Now I'm gluing this window with this background with my hot glue. As you see, this nautical cord creates 3D dimensional look to this window. I'm adding this base to this window. I have 2 sets of 4 tumbling blocks. Glue them end to end, and they're gonna glue the 2 sets together. Paint it with white chalk paint to give a base to this window, like that. I'm gluing this window on top of this beautiful picture. Some greenery. I have these small jars from Dollar Tree. Add some flowers inside. I give life to this picture. I'm adding these jewel border stickers that I got on Dollar Tree. Add them on top and in the bottom. Paint them with white chalk paint too. I add small rope in the back as a holder. As you see, I added this beautiful sticker on top of this window and tiny bead on the center. So cute, right? I feel good with this DIY because I incorporate cozy items. These birds gave nature look to this cottagecore DIY. I add a little romance to this project with this candle sticker to show some light from this window. And these little flowers and greenery to give more of a romantic cottage feel. Right, guys? C'est très joli, n'est-ce pas? So let me know in your comment below what do you think about this pretty cottagecore DIY. And now let's jump to the second DIY. For this DIY, I'm using this wooden frame that I got from thrift store and this pretty scrapbook paper that fit my cottagecore DIY. And half cup, I have broken cup, gonna use the half of this cup and this napkin with beautiful colors. I'm giving one coat of white chalk paint all around this wooden frame. When it's fully dry, I'm adding this patina wax, soft color. It's a great addition to this cottagecore design. I distress it lightly with the sandpaper so the white color will show underneath and give kind of old look. And this napkin, I remove the first layer. I'm applying this Mod Podge to add this napkin on top of this half cup, and this parchment paper helps this napkin stick there. I'm sealing this cup by adding some Mod Podge on top. With this sandpaper, I'm removing all the excess of the napkin all around. Also this scissors to cut the napkin in the bottom, and this ribbon with lace to add some decoration in the bottom and to hide the empty side in the bottom of this cup. This ribbon fits my design. I'm gluing this cup on top of this base piece in the bottom, in the center of the bottom. I make sure it's nice in the center and even. Add some 3D sticker that I got from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna cut this long flower from my scrapbook paper to drop it inside this cup. Give some dimension to this frame. And these roses that I got from Michael's, I'm gonna add them inside. Now it's time to glue all these pictures, this flower, the stickers with Mod Podge, this roses inside, adding this pearl lace to give feminine and romantic look to this frame or this cottage DIY. I have my pearl bracelet too, I added there, and this silver button in the center of this cup. What else? These pearls give a pretty look to this cup. With my hot glue, I'm adding each pearl in each rose. That gives beautiful look to this design. I'm really pleased with this. I have some fun and incorporate few small details of this cottagecore DIY. It's gorgeous, pretty. What do you think, guys, about this one? Let me know in your comment below, and let's jump to the last project. This last DIY, I'm using this long palette that I got from Walmart and this scrapbook paper with lovely artistic design. I'm mixing this green patina wax with some of white apple barrel paint to give more softener of this green color to this cottagecore DIY. I'm painting the top and the bottom, I don't need the center because I'm gonna add the picture. I'm adding these two small pin sticks to create a kind of frame to this beautiful picture. I'm adding more white to the first color to give lighter color to this green. I want to give some combination of colors to this cottagecore DIY Mod Podge to stick this picture in the center. Oh, and this parchment paper to stick this picture. So adding more details, I have these jewel border stickers, add them in the bottom and the top, and paint it with the same lighter green color over it. So cute. And then this, I have this jewelry. I'm adding one piece through this pearl lace and wrap it all around the top to give what? Give beauty. Like it says in the picture, natural beauty. Natural beauty. So I'm setting this picture to give great look to my design. Ces projets sont magnifiques avec des couleurs vivantes. What do you think, guys, about all these DIYs? These DIYs show that I do believe in fairies or fairy tale living. They are gorgeous, very romantic with countryside feeling. Right, guys? I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye.